Hey, seniors! As you start thinking about your next steps, I want to encourage you to explore the many scholarship opportunities available to help you pay for college. Among the many amazing scholarship options, this year, we're excited to launch the Ruth and Norman Rales-Patricia Baier O'Neill Scholarship Recognizing Academic Excellence. And I want to encourage you to apply. 200 students will be awarded $10,000 scholarships to help ease the financial burden of attending college. Applicants must be MCPS graduating seniors who hold a weighted GPA of 4.69 as of their September 1st transcript and must meet income requirements. These scholarships will offer so many possibilities as you prepare for college and your next steps. I hope that you take advantage of this amazing opportunity.